and mini dozer, minigun.
Alright, now we got minigun
With the-
bulldozer. Never mind, that's good. Just can't wait to see what it's gonna do to us. Activating Fist of Steel. Alright, don't see a key here or here. Still might as well go check to see if there's one. Alright. Oh, it is a key. Well, and I am the fucking wall.
Oh, minigun! Minigun!
Where is he?
The right side. Out of the kitchen.
Oh fuck, I'm on the left side. I'm trying to. Okay, yeah. Let me try to see if we can try and find a key here, and I'll go over there. Oh,
I don't know. It just know that the kitchen area.
Okay.
So
Also,
slow,
wasn't that supposed to be proxies, or is that Apollyon? I forgot which is which.
It's Proxy or Apollyon?
Okay.
Yeah. We get the medic bulldozer.
Oh, is he coming? Come on. Oh, that's the Skulldozers. That was okay. Also, I heard Payday 3 has a radar over the yellow.
The minigun is too heavy. Oh my god, that he is so heavy. So what I am gonna do?
Oh my god. Okay, let's see here.
Oh?
Outside of what room? Wait. Oh, I think I found him. Hey, buddy. Hey, hey, fuck you, man. Medic. Medic! What are you doing? Go, 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 go. Right. Oh, yeah, he's kind of slow, so... you can't really... Yeah. This guy's really slow, but he does a lot of damage.
Minigun go to the SS.
Come on.
I mean, minigun go to the SS. He's going the way to spawn.
Oh
he's so
god.
slow. Oh my god.
Yeah, he's
look
like the slowest thing ever.
Tara, Luigi. What do you want?
Oh my god. Someone better find the keys while we're doing this.
He's so slow.
Hey, fuck you, man. Oh, shit. Wait. Oh, was that Bulldozer? What the fuck? Oh, shit!
I'm having fun with this. You want no screaming, but I am very sick for voice.
Yeah, I can see that. I'm gonna go find the keys.
Yeah,
it was fun playing with him, guy.
Oh,
hey,
he's
buddy.
coming.
Don't go there. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Demo. There you go. All right.
Just find the key. He's there. Hello there.
Oh, hey.
Oh, he's coming. Yes, he is. Run. Just run. Is this clear or not?
I don't know. Oh! One dude. Oh shit. Avoid fence.
I could lost many HP for that's good on the chasing.
Oh my god. He is the fucking wall. Odie! Odie, wake up! Behind you! Behind you! Just run, man.
That's
run.
Behind the door. Basement.
Oh, rest in peace, that player.
Wait, there's a two basement. Which one? Right or left?
It has to be in the right bag.
I might as well check.
That is that.
Skulldozers are moving. Skulldozers are moving. Yeah, I'm gonna check right side. Hold on.
Mention that near the kitchen, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna check on that basement really
Just
quick.
let me-
Hold up.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, never
Yeah,
mind. Let's go.
exactly. You're right. You're absolutely right.
He was absolutely right.
Yes, I wanted
indeed.
minigun.
Wow. Oh.
Wait.
Wait, where is he?
You
Oh,
made
hey,
a
buddy.
minigun on the right. He's so slow. There's a Skulldozzer. There's a gold one.
Oh my god. The fact that this guy slow and does a lot of damage is kind of fun. It's kind of funny but cool.
Where is
He does have like the awesome
no,
BGM.
He's coming.
Sorry, not BGM. He also he has like the awesome chase music, but I do
No, run,
feel like
run,
Medic
run,
Bulldozer
run,
is gonna be
run.
like interesting too. Oh.
There's a minigun.
Minigun exit. Minigun exit.
Probably you need to avoid.
Okay, watch this. I'm gonna pass him. Watch.
You are healing.
I passed him. Holy shit.
Don't run past him. He's coming. Only you are 25. You are 94.
He's walking. He's coming very slowly. So be careful.
Skulldozzer.
pushing.
Skull. That is skull. Hey, he's upstairs. I hear him.
He's at exit.
Odie, wait.
Minigun Bulldozer at exit.
18. What? This is another one? What? What's that? Oh no. You probably go back. Oh no.
Oh no, Terrence.
It's still alive. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh no, 19 though. I want to go 19, but it's not. Oh, I guess we can go 20.
Could almost die.